Dennis No Moonshine running car.
Oh man, Mopar Performance. Well, I love it.
All those toggle switches turned off the brake lights and running lights, the turn signals, got an accessory light, turn off the dome light, got an oil sprayer, If you take your back seats out, everything's wrapped in.
Oh wow.
The shoes are all, but look, the lights went down. The lights went down where you can't take lights.
I mean, if you look, cylinder, they even got a stop switch here, so it would stop when it would get up to the top of it, so it wouldn't bend the license plate.
Sometimes I feel the fear of uncertainty seem clear, and I can't help but ask myself how much I let the fear take the wheel and steer. Driven me before and it seems to have so clear lately.
For this lovely entertainment he's provided us with today, and thank everybody for coming out and supporting Backstoppers. We're ready to give the prizes out now, so if you hear your name or your number called, come on up and get your prize. For the first one, we got highest truck. It's a 2014 F-250. Oh, yes. And his name is Randy Pierce. For the second award, we have the People's Choice. And that goes to the 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner. Is that Dave Segal?
Seagraves.
Seagrave. So sorry. Come on down, get your prize. Prize number 3 is the lowest car. And that goes to a 2015 Chrysler 300. Tiffany and Joe, come on down, get your plaque.
Thanks for coming out, sir. Appreciate it.
Can't beat it when it's on the ground.
Prize number 4 is the judge's choice.
I keep the entry.
Nice car.
It's a 1952 Chevy 3100. Dennis Novell. Come on down, get your prize. Save the best for last, the best in show. And that goes to a 2017 Chevy Corvette Grand Sport.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you.
John McDonald, number 107. Here's your sign. Once again, I'd like to thank everybody for coming out, supporting Backstoppers and Color's first car show. And thanks again to Brad Welker for the entertainment. And you guys have a great day.
Thank you guys. Appreciate it.
There you go, sir.
He's a clean one.
Thanks for coming out.
That's you, man. All right. Appreciate it.
I'll go ahead and finish off here with a couple more songs.